You need to lower your expectations.
I did not even have my hands on it.
Then you should have had your hand on it. Oh yeah. Where's my measuring tape?
If I had $1 for every time you said that.
Moving this door around, pinching my fingers.
I will not. Why don't you use that aluminum cutter thing? Maybe I only cut aluminum.
Yeah. Oh. It's in the name. What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while and a lot has changed. We got a lot to share with you and we can't wait to catch you up. First off, if you clicked on this for a how-to camper remodel, this is not that video. This is what we're doing, not how to do it. And we're just sharing with our regular followers what we're up to. But if you do want to stick around, then we're going to show you how we redo this toy hauler. That's right, now we have a toy hauler. So we're going to catch you up, guys. Stick around.
So we have officially had this toy hauler for a week. We should have, but we didn't originally pick up the GoPro when we got it. But we did film you a little short snippet, which you can see here. This is what I look like when I've had like no sleep and just a crazy week. Anyway, we're out here day 2 after all the rain has gone away, and we're trying to move the camper around to dig into it, and this is the problem that we're having. These are crazy low, so we have decided we're just going to take them off altogether.
Yeah, I'd rather have these in a tote individually than back here just waiting to get mangled.
Yeah, this one's obviously been hit.
Yeah.
It's really low.
I come home Monday night in the rain.
So we're going to take them off, just keep them for when we set up, and then try to move this around to a better position. So now we were originally going to try to get it done in a week to take it on a trip, but yeah, that was just too much stress.
We should be on today.
Yeah, we should actually be leaving today.
Today.
So we didn't make that. We appreciate them inviting us though, and we are just now digging into it. I will show you. When you buy something used, you always know that you might get an issue. This is nothing new to us. We have, rehab. This is the 3rd camper, and we've had issues on all of them.
Oh yeah, that's why you pay cash for a deal, and then you never end it upside down.
So when he went to get it, he saw a soft spot in the trailer section. Did you just fall?
Filming that?
I did, yeah.
I wonder if it got it. Hey, it's slick right there when your feet wet.
So when we got it home, the soft spot was worse, and this is what we're dealing with now.
It is not a soft spot, it is a soft side. I was aware of this spot that you see here, but conveniently when I went to view it, the guy was like, quick to lower the bed. Oh, let me show you how the bed works. And I was like, yeah, I've seen these, and let me show you how it goes down. And then we got talking. I never got to walk over here, and there was a rug over it. It's all right.
So now we have identified the problem. We did find the seal on the door is leaking. So we're gonna, which is good. It could be a whole lot worse. So we're just gonna replace the seal, and then my handy husband is going to replace the flooring.
Yeah, it's not going to be that bad. So there's a transition in the flooring here, and what it was the seal around the door that was leaking. We flooded the roof and flooded the back door so we could see where's this water coming from. Just where it was parked. It was the tiniest stream of water come down the back of that door and would run forward and soaked all this. But it didn't do anything past there. There's a transition. Gravity does its job. Water's always going to go south. Most of it leaked out the fender well. Yeah, just gonna pull all this back.
I gotta be honest, it's a 2017 and it's pretty well made. I mean, it almost is more.
It's better than our.
It's better than our other camper.
Yeah.
So the bones are pretty solid. We just have to, you know, it's mostly cosmetic, but we just fix this problem, and then it's just a lot of cleaning and painting and overhauling. Cleaning. If you know,
cooking.
if you know Medea, you'll know that. Yeah. So we're really excited. We're gonna try to transition this space to a bedroom / you know, hangout area. Is it out?
Yeah.
Philip hates it when I do the hand tools because I just go all or nothing. There's no in between with me. Or no.
Oh yeah. You know, like some of the furniture says like do not use impacts for putting this together. It's like that's for people like her that don't know how to finesse it or have any control.
Gas or nothing.
Yeah, that's why she don't drive much. When it comes to off-road. Now I'm putting her in a turboed machine.
That's right.
So I got good solid floor, but then right here it changes a little bit.
Yeah, I did notice there was another spot a little farther over.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to come
like right here.
That's why I'm pulling this one up. It's solid from here. We're gonna wind up coming back to this joist and redoing all of this. This OSB's just been a big old wick soaking up all that water.
I see the lever, but I can't get it.
Then pull the lever. Pull the lever. I'm trying to take the tension off of it. It should do what you should do. Can I just pivot?
Can I just trade with you?
No, because then you'll be over here moving this door around, pinching my fingers.
I will not.
I'd much rather pinch your fingers.
I'm not strong enough to pull the lever.
Maybe it don't. Just don't be doing right. Let me see what you're seeing. You come out here and see what I'm seeing.
This is why we don't need to renovate together.
Now I can see.
Just holding your lips like that help.
This is my focus. All right, I'm focusing. It's supposed to go all the way around. Okay. Okay. I need a.
Oh, you need a tool.
I need a doohickey.
So it doesn't just flip around. What tool?
Oh, it does.
What doohickey?
I don't know. You need like a prying thing, like a screwdriver.
What about a screw?
A screw would work. There we go. Let go, you're messing it up.
I did not even have my hands on it.
Then you should have had your hand on it.
We have often thought about like, hey, we could build a house or rehab a house together.
I want to build a log cabin.
And no, we could not.
Screaming at each other and then laughing every 5 minutes apart. Life would be boring.
I just want you to take me to get Mexican food.
When?
While Philip breaks things in the back, let me give you a little rundown of how we're going to situate this camper.
Oh, yeah.
Do you think the audio picked that up? Because that was disgusting.
Are we filming?
Yeah.
Oh, I definitely got it. Anyways.
We wanted a separate space for Elena, and so we were looking for one with like 2 bedrooms. So what we came up with is this, which is supposed to be the master, I guess, is going to be Elena's room. And it's very cozy, which she said she would like. She's into reading, so I'm sure she'll make this into some sort of reading nook. Then here's the kitchen. What I liked about it is it has so much storage. I mean, storage upon storage upon storage. This had a recliner in it, so we ripped that out, and we ripped the carpet out because just why? I don't believe that there should ever be carpet in a camper.
Hey, tell me what we found in the couch there.
I wasn't going to say that just in case those people watch this channel.
Hey, he got me on the floor. I found your $150, guy.
We ripped up the recliner, and I was like, Philip was like, oh, that looks like $20. I was like, no, that's a $50, and then it ended up being $150 cash. So God blessed us, and now we have extra money to fix the flooring back here. So, win-win. So this is going to be the couch, but we're going to get a sleeper sofa. So this will turn into where Elias sleeps, which is fine because we're not full-timing. So for a long weekend, it's not a big deal. Also, why the brown? I mean, there's so much brown.
Too much brown.
Philip would just not paint it, but I can't live in brown, so it's getting painted.
I don't care because I'm not supposed to be in here.
So anyway, then you go through here, and here is the small bathroom, but still lots of storage, sink. We actually have a little teeny bathtub. Is that a porcelain toilet?
Yeah.
Oh.
We in high cotton now.
Stepping it up.
We are big timing.
And then this is going to turn into our bedroom / I would like to have like a couch or something in here so that when the bed goes up, this could be a hangout space.
And I know that you're thinking, dummy, that makes a couch, blah, blah, blah. We're doing away with that. I'm going to make a full or queen size bed that goes up and down.
And then eventually we want to have 2 rigs. And we're going to try to squeeze a 2-seater in here when we get to that point. So the reason why we picked a toy hauler was this just kind of works for us now and down the road. You know, the kids are getting older. Eventually, Elena might not want to come with us. So this works. And then we might want to get another rig, which can go on the back of the flatbed, and then put the side-by-side in the toy hauler section. So it's just very versatile. So that's what we chose for now.
All right. So we have really struggled with pulling this floor up. It is extremely glued, and we got the hair dryer out. Was testing, if you heat it up, it has a lot more give. So I got the furnace set on hale, and we got 2 space heaters in here. I'm gonna run from a drop cord 2 different circuits. See if we can't heat it up in here really hot for the next 30 minutes to an hour and get this glue to release.
Because if we don't, he was about to have a hernia.
Yeah, I was like pulling muscles. This rubber floor is tough, so I'm trying to save it seamlessly, not cut it. It's really tough. Whatever you put in from the factory here, the glue, they were not skimping. This camper must have been built on a Wednesday. Where's my measuring tape?
If I had $1 for every time you said that.
Fiber 1 tool.
Scraper 3000.
It's a 5-in-1. I used to have these Hispanic guys that I worked with, and they thought that we were saying Fiber 1 tool. So jokingly, for several years, we've been, well, for that time now, I still call it a Fiber 1 tool. Oh yeah.
Ooh, it's still wet.
Yeah. No, we've been nowhere for that moisture to go. Here's the rule with water damage and anything, your home, your camper, whatever, by the time you see it and it has made itself aware, it is way worse than you think in most cases. Almost always.
Luckily, this is pinpointed to the garage section. If we had other issues, we would have walked away from it. And let me take this opportunity to say, if you don't know anything about us, or if you just came here for a camper remodel, we traveled the country we sold everything, traveled the country for 2 years in our camper with our kids. And we have since settled back down. Since coming back and buying land and building,
Everything went wrong.
Everything went wrong. We incurred debt. But, you know, I make, you know, good money and I have a good career. I could go back and make a lot of money, and Philip could go back and be a salesperson and make over $100,000 a year, but we just got tired of working just to pay bills. So we also did another video about that. If you have questions, feel free to reach out to us. We are thankful to be able to live this way, and that's why we bought a used camper that had some issues, because we were able to pay cash for it, and nobody owns it but us. And as you're digging that up, aren't you super excited about that?
So excited.
The thing is, though, new campers are almost worse than stuff like this. One thing you gotta realize, too, with anything, but especially with campers, they're all kind of made like poo. So, you know, the salespeople at the camper place can say whatever they want to, but they're not made well. So you gotta be ready and willing to tackle issues.
Yeah, it's wild how many people we encountered in our years of travel and what we see on like different groups and stuff. All these things are just these quickly and poorly made boxes that go down the road. You need to lower your expectations, okay? People pay for insert whatever brand you think is top of the line. Brinkley, you know, Alliance, Beacon, Grand Design, blah, blah, blah. All of those are just it's like Taco Bell. It's all the same ingredients packaged up a little differently. And it is going to plummet in value very, very quickly. You
are going to get some negative comments on comparing Taco Bell to campers.
I get it. I'm just saying, like, it's a box, man. And the warranty, you know, you're not buying an asset, but they kind of make it like a mortgage. You get a second home mortgage, and this thing's made so good, blah, 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 and it comes with this warranty. If it takes them 8 months to get to you for that warranty, what does that matter? No camper in the history of ever is going to go up in value in the long run.
But I gotta be honest, I definitely wouldn't have traveled the country and probably wouldn't have the campers that we've had and done if my husband wasn't handy. So we're thankful for what we do have. We're thankful that we're able to do this. But we are probably going to stop here.
Yeah, I promised Elias we'd go to the park and fly some RC planes. So that's what we're going to go do while we still got a little bit of daylight. It's perfect for this. I immediately flew it into that tree after that shot.